Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Discord crashing app. Now, how to fix your Discord crashing app on the web app or desktop or even your phone. If Discord keeps crashing, it might be due to browser issues, outdated versions, hardware acceleration conflicts, or extensions. So follow these steps to resolve the issue. Now, first thing is to check your browser. Ensure you're using a supported and updated browser. Example, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. So update your browser to the latest version by going to your browser settings. Number two, clear your browser cache or your phone cache. Now, open your browser settings or your phone settings and find the clear browsing data or clear cache option. Selected cached images, files, and cookies. Select cached images, files, and cookies. Avoid claiming passwords unless necessary. Restart the browser and try using Discord again. Step 3, disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can conflict with Discord, so disable all extensions by navigating to your browser's extension page. Re-enable them one by one to identify the problematic one. Number 4, disable hardware acceleration. In Chrome or Edge, go to Settings, go to System, and then toggle off Use hardware accelerations when available. Then, relaunch the browser and check if Discord works. Step 5. Switch to a different browser. If the issue persists, try opening Discord in another browser to rule out browser-specific problems. Step 6. Check the server's issues. Visit the Discord status page to see if Discord is experiencing downtime or server issues. So these are the steps that you can take for the web app. For the mobile app, head over to the platform that you're using downloading the app, either Google Store, Google Play Store, or App Store. Then once you click on that, go ahead and check if there's an update feature. Once you click on Discord, if you find the update feature, go ahead and update or reinstall the application if it keeps giving you issues. So for desktop, ensure your Discord app is up to date. Close and reopen the Discord to trigger auto update. And if updates fail, reinstall the Discord from discord.com. On Windows, clear your Discord cache. Press win.r and type %updated%/Discord and hit enter. Then delete all the files in the folder and restart Discord. You can also disable hardware accelerations. So open Discord and go to Settings, click Appearance and scroll down to Advanced and toggle off hardware accelerations and restart Discord. Also check for corrupt files. Uninstall Discord completely, download and reinstall the latest versions from the official site. Right-click on the Discord app and select Run as Administrator to bypass permission-related issues. Also, ensure your operating system meets Discord requirements. Update your graphic drivers and operating system. Check your internet connection, disable overlays, and restart your device. If problem persists, consider contacting Discord support for further assistance. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.